Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I would discuss 60 kilowatt project which we have installed in Mardan City KPK. Well, we have used here the modules type. These are polycrystalline made by ZN Shine, having same 25 years performance warranty and 10 years replacement warranty. Well, the specialty of this project is we have introduced the first time in Pakistan the graphene coated, and this project we have installed the first time, and we did check the performance was very satisfactory. I would discuss or I would make another video about the graphene coated panels, what are the benefits of these modules, how these can perform in a in a worse condition like the weather or having a dusty condition as well. Anyways, let's come to the installation. The inverters we have used here, the type of the inverters are infini, and we have used 4 inverters, you can see, and because the same site we have used 4 on a same premises, we used 2 in parallel and similarly other in 2 parallel as well. And the same inverters we have used MPG 200 dry batteries, and similarly we have another same site we have used the normal lead acid batteries as well. So the performance so far we did check the inverters and the panels, that was very satisfactory. And well, the setting we have installed here as an off-grid backup, because so far the net metering is not started here, so we are using as a backup with grid.